But my brothers and sisters, I'm going to work on my bad habits, and so do you need to work on your bad habits. Why am I spending time on this? Because the qualities of the heart, that's what matters. When I look at someone else and I feel, you know what, I would give my life to protect this person. They are part of me. Wallahi, when you get to that stage, you are part of an ummah. I swear, when I see someone I'm just giving you an example. When I see someone that actually I can relate to this person's part of the ummah. In fact, it extends to humanity at large, any human. That's why the Qur'an says, if you save a single life, without mentioning what religion, without mentioning any other detail, you save a single life, it's as good as saving entire humanity. I'm sure you've heard the verse, وَمَنْ أَحْيَاهَا فَكَأَنَّمَا أَحْيَا النَّاسَ جَمِيعًا. But there comes a closer and a closer and a closer relation as the circle becomes smaller and smaller and smaller until you get to your own blood. Blood meaning brother, sister. Why do we say blood? Because Allah chose them for you. You didn't choose them. Who's your mother? Who's your father? Who's your brothers and sisters if you have any? They are the ones chosen by Allah.